today is Valentine's Day. And meron pa akong prepare for my family. First time kong magbigay ng Valentine's card sa asawa ko, 'di ba, sa Valentine's Day. So, pati sa mga bata, meron din si daddy bumili ng mga chocolate nila. So, pero meron akong mga like shirt at saka balloon for them. So, and gumagawa na ako ng breakfast kasi may school sila today. So, happy Friday. So, habang umiinit yung ating pan, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga binili ko for my pamilya. So, ayan guys, bumili ako ng balloon. Tinago ko talaga yan. Kagabi ko yan, kahapon ko yan binili. So, hindi ko na rin vinlog yung pagbibili ko niyan and everything. And then, ito yung mga chocolate na mga bata. Ferrero, tas Caleb, Chad, Natalia, and then yung kay Troy. And ito naman yung kay Daddy. Ito, ayan. 3 balloon para I love you. O, diba? So, ayan yung kay Troy na balloon. Kay Natalia. Ito yung kay Caleb kasi wala na ako ibang mahanap. Tapos, ito yung kay Chad. Ayan. Tapos, kagabi, binigay na ni Daddy sa akin yung flower na binili niya. And yung, yung chocolate, tsaka card. Aray ko. Tapos, binilihan din niya si Natalia ng flower. Ayan, ang cute. Hindi pa nakikita ni Natalia yan. So, mamaya makikita niya yan. So, it's 5:54 na guys. Late na ako. So, I'm making pancake and bacon. So, let's start cooking. So, guys, ito na yung, nagluluto na tayo. And, gigisingin ko na sila kasi it's 6:08 na. So, ihahatid natin sila sa school ngayon. And may isang bata na nagumising kaya kailangan gisingin na natin sila.
Wow!
What is that?
Woohoo!
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, Mom. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Mom, I like Valentine's Day.
Hmm?
I like Valentine's Day.
You do? Okay.
What?
Oh, yeah.
Watch out.
You gotta twist the...
I like your Allergy pajama dress. Mommy, I like your Allergy pajama dress.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. What?
What? What?
Why are the balloons? Why are the balloons here?
Huh?
Why are the balloons here?
It's because it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
What?
We'll go in the bathroom and pee. So you can eat.
Oh yeah, I already done.
Okay, we'll sit. Go sit down. Go sit down.
Mom,
Yeah.
I want a balloon.
You see, right?
You what?
Should I wear my big outfit? Like that one right there?
No, you can wear it tomorrow. When we get home.
Okay.
I thought we had to wear it.
No, you're wearing this one.
Happy Valentine's Day.
So, ayan guys. Are you guys happy with when you wake up in the morning, you have these? Yeah?
I'm really afraid of this.
Okay, well, when we wake
My mom done.
okay, let's go so we can get ready because it's 6:22.
Hey, Mom.
I'll just drop you guys off to school.
Towards me.
Yeah.
And this one is also facing towards me.
So say you
So I
happy?
have to. Yeah.
This is just yours.
Can I
Look at me.
hold it? I really
Well, I'll take a picture with you later. With it, okay? Eat, come on, eat for now. Come on. Uy. Alright, let me get you guys orange juice.
My balloon is not making me eat.
Yes, it will. Just sit down and eat.
Mom, I see something under there.
Yeah, you see something under there?
It's a Hello Kitty thing.
Hi, guys. We're on our way to school.
Say hi, Caleb, Troy.
Troy?
I can't see it.
Chad, you're not buckled up?
Oh. So, guys, this is the snow.
It's melting now.
It's melting now, but last time we saw it, it was like thick. It was like
A bunch of snow.
thousands of snow. Look at the way I can break the ice.
But now it's hard. We can break.
Dito na kami sa school, guys. Si Troy, being naked. Come on, put it on! We're almost there! Ay, ito naman eh. Get your backpack on. Ay, wait lang. Mwah. Mwah. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Give me a kiss.
What do you mean by a little bit?
Well, it's awards day today, so we'll be here. Hey, don't forget to give that to your teacher, huh?
I won't forget.
Okay, love you.
Bye, Mom. Love you.
Love you. Naghihintay ng teacher. Ay, kabagal naman ito. She's eating her cereal, guys. Dahil ayaw niya. Hanggang ngayon, nandito pa rin siya. Hindi pa niya nakikita ni Daddy.
Yellow like
Yan pa
the
rin.
sun.
What?
Yellow like this is the yellow like the sun. And
Yeah.
like the lemon.
Yeah. So, kain tayo. Ito naman, may bacon. Ano nangyari sa bacon na
I'm
ito?
having orange juice
Yeah.
and this.
Yeah. Okay, let me go get me some orange juice.
Like a me.
Are you done?
Yeah.
They always win.
You eating Fruit Loops?
Yeah,
Yeah, just half glass.
And I have some orange juice down here.
Oh, cool.
It's gonna be me and Sissy eating breakfast. Oh, we need the syrup. Put daddy syrup, syrup. Put daddy syrup, syrup.
Did you put syrup in there
No,
already?
daddy will do it.
Okay. La 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 la. It's only me and you. And we like being together. We like sitting and being together.
Say, kain tayo.
Mom, you look.
So today's guys is my awards day. Si Troy Ang mga boys, today is their awards day. So we're gonna go to their awards day today. Huh?
I was wanting to tap out my food so they can be nice and warm.
Everybody's been stepping all over it. Pretty sure we have some.
So guys, ready na tayo. So ito ating outfit. Sinatali na sa sasakyan na. So let's go! So ayan na si Sissy. Say hi! Yes, I know! So alis na tayo guys. Kasama natin si mother-in-law. Nakasakay siya sa atin today. So, same kami na outfit ni Natalia, girl. Ha, Sissy, do we have same outfit? Yeah, pakita namin sa inyo yung outfit namin mamaya. So, let's go! Dito na kami. We here. Sissy, turn on. Look at you. Okay, I'm sorry, ma'am. Ay, lamig. Why did not bring a jacket? I'm cold. It might be cold in the gym, too. It's cold. Alright, let's go inside. Ayan na yung setup nila, guys. We're here. Natalia. Yeah. Huh? Huh? You want to go get another pictures?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Let me take you a picture. Picture ulit siya. Daddy will. You want Daddy to take a picture of you? Okay. Okay. Go. Take a picture as much as she want. Sometimes you don't want to get a picture. Okay, look at me. Okay. Okay. Look at me. All right. Okay, come back up here then.
Make art, and then we have a competition with it. So, Lost and Found, if you're missing anything, Lost and Found is out there.
They're gonna sing.
I'm so glad to be here. I'm so glad to be here. I'm so glad. I'll show you how I feel. I'll jump up high, slap my thigh, touch my nose, blink my eye, stomp my foot, rub my ear. I'm so glad to be here. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm so glad. I'll show you how I feel.
They're all being shy.
Slap my thigh, touch my nose, wink my eye, stomp my foot, rub my ear. I'm so glad that you're here. Jump up high, slap my thigh, touch my nose, wink my eye, stomp my foot, rub my ear. I'm so glad that you're here.
Great job. Troy is faithful attendance. He's missed 5 or less days. He's a happy helper, a hard worker, can count to 100, identifying all letters of the alphabet, and pleasant attitude. Congratulations, Troy. Bill Stroud.
So guys, nandito kami sa car. Because Troy's thing
awards day is done. And meron
We're
tayong
going
reflection.
taking nap.
Yeah, magta-take si Troy ng nap sa school. So, yung kay Kuya Chad and kay Caleb na award is starts at 1 o'clock. So, dito lang muna tayo to maghintay. Tapos, yung lola nila nandoon sa loob kasi gusto niyang ma-save ang kanyang seat. What? So, did you guys like our outfit?
Did you guys like our outfit?
Outfit of the day.
They did? No, but guys, I like your outfit, Mommy. My lips are a bit redder than yours.
What?
They look a bit lighter than yours.
The what?
My lips look a bit lighter like yours.
Oh, your lips? Don't worry about your lips, ma'am.
I was drinking some water.
So yeah, dito lang kami sa car guys, maghihintay until 1 o'clock. Oh, hindi pala, before sila mag-start. So yeah. Sa bahay na lang kami magla-lunch. Ay, nandiyan dyan si Daddy sa car.
Mom, can I tell Daddy something? I want you to roll down the window right now. Daddy, try to throw the chip.
Daddy!
Daddy, try to throw a chip. Now, Mom, close the window. Mom, close the
No!
window.
We're not closing the window!
Yes, close the window.
Oh my goodness!
Try again. Try again. This
Okay,
one's
stop it
closed.
now. It's full of snacks in my car.
Daddy, do you want more dinner? What is it?
Oh, you're wrong. You're opening the wrong door. Window. Sese! Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye. Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
You want that?
What is this? Something.
So guys, hindi na nagstay si Daddy sa awards day ni Kuya Chad tsaka ni Kuya Caleb kasi tawag nito kasi kailangan pa niya pumunta ng work kasi hindi pa siya nag-go work eh. So may work siya today actually. So ayun, pinanood lang talaga niya si Troy na dapat mag-stay siya but nag-decide siya na babalik na siya, papasok na siya kasi para makabili din siya ng kanyang lunch kasi 12:30 na and so yun ng kanyang lunch and then pagka-uwi na doon na lang I don't know kung ano yung dinner namin tonight for Valentine's. So yeah, so I think tapos na yung awards day ng mga so I think we're gonna go inside. Yeah, Sisi, I think we're gonna go inside. Huh? Kasi so we can get our seats. Huh? Let's go.
Where's Mama?
With Momo, yeah. Put that in your bag, your chocolate, because it's gonna melt here. Sige, fly like a girl. Ayan, pasok na kami guys kasi baka mamaya para makakuha tayo ng upuan or baka start sila ng early. Eh wait, Sisi, there's a car coming. Here, hold my hand. See? Told you there's a car. There's another car. Tikan ka na dun. Would you, Missy? Wait for me.
Caleb Robertson. Caleb is being recognized for faithful attendance, attitude, and improvement. Congratulations, Caleb. Vincent Richard Robertson. Richard is being recognized today for attitude and AB honor roll.
Hi guys. Medyo nakatulog ako, no? So yeah, nakatulog ako. So, happy Valentine's Day. So, ang Valentine's Day natin ngayon, guys, is wala, ano lang, simpleng selebrasyon, ganyan. Kasi, nag-work si Daddy today, and, tsaka awards day ng mga kids. So, nagpabili na lang kami ng dinner kay Daddy. So, si Troy tsaka si Natalia, kumain na sila. Ay, nakakatakot. It's scary. So, kumain na si Troy. Cookies. It's not cookies. So, yun. And then, nag-bake ako ng...
Valentine's cake?
Yes. Nag-bake ako, guys, ng cake. So, ito yung ating, Valentine's cake na, And, yun, nagpabili ako ng food kay Daddy. Taco Bell na lang tayo. So, taco tayo this, Valentine's. Alam nyo ba, akala ko Saturday na ngayon. Ano pa lang pala, Friday. Nakakaloka. Ay. But anyways, itong ating cake. Hindi ko pa siya nalalagyan ng icing. Kasi tatanggal ko lang siya sa oven. Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung ating, icing. Ayan. Pink siya. And then with kind of heart right there. So, ayun. And, kaya, yeah. Ayun ang ating, simple Valentine's, celebration. And, magliligpit lang ako dito sa sala dahil sobrang kalat. My goodness. But, yeah. Sobrang kalat dito. Hindi ko na ipapakita. Kasi sobrang kalat talaga. What? Oh my gosh, Natalia, you're heavy. Oh my gosh, ang bigat niya eh. Say Happy Valentine.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Aray! Uy. Alright, we need to clean up. Uy, I think that's Daddy. Get down. So guys, prank lang pala yun. Hindi pala si Daddy yan. So guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung kanilang pictures noong Valentine's nila. Ito kasama to dun sa binayaran namin na $10 na may kasamang pictures. Tingnan nyo how cute my baby. Oh my gosh. Ang froggy. Si Troy yan. And then ito si Chad. Foggy. Tapos si Caleb, wala pa yung kanyang picture kasi hindi ata binigay sa kanila. Pero sabi niya, akala niya na uwi daw niya, pero hindi niya na uwi. So, makikita pa natin yan sa Tuesday kasi wala silang pasok ng Monday dahil holiday ata. So, ngayon guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga natanggap nila galing sa kanilang mga classmate ng Valentine's. Wait lang. Naman ang mga candy natin. So, this one, unahin muna natin kay Kuya Chad kasi ito lang yung sa kanya na napaka-konti. So, ayan. Dahil na si Kuya Chad, 4th grade na siya, magpi-5th grade na siya. So, wala nang masyadong nagbibigay ng mga ganito dahil nga malaki na daw sila. Like, papunta na sila sa teen. Ganon. Kaya, wala nang nagbibigay masyado ng mga treat bags na ganito. So, pahinga lang natin si Teve. Para marinig din natin si Dad kung paparating na. So, ito, ayan. Ito lang yun sa kanya. Itong maliit na bag na to. Tapos, ayan. Mga ganyan. Basta, ayan. Puro mga ganyan lang. Chocolate, ayan. Parang lang. Richard from Bentley. Oh, that's cute. Ayan, may cord. Kasi may nabibiling ganito, guys, na mga like mga ganyan. May mga card. Tapos, pwede mong lagyan ng name sa likod. Ayan. So, kagabi, ginawan ko ng ganyan si Troy. And hindi ko na na-vlog yung ginawa ko na yan. Nag-send din sila ng kanilang treat bags. Yung maliliit lang na parang ganito lang din siya. Tapos, kung ano-ano mga candy yung nilagay doon.
yeah. So, and then nagbigay din sila ng mga chocolate sa kanilang teacher dahil Valentine's Day. So, bumili ako talaga kagahapon ng candy na heart shape siya na Ferrero. And then with cards and then with flowers. Oh, diba? Ito naman kay Troy, guys. So, ito yung kay Troy. Kasama itong maliit na bag na to. Ayan. So, ayan. Ayan. So, ito pala yung, ganito yung binigay ko na ganyan. Tapos, dahil si Troy mahilig kay Spider, so, Spider yung binili natin na card. Ayan. Tapos, sinulat niya yung pangalan niya. O, diba? So, ayan. I think ito galing to sa teacher kasi binigyan si Natalia ng ganito. Ano siya, caramel siya na popcorn. Ang sarap niya. Tapos, ayan. Ayan. Ayan, yan. Yan, parang ganito yung binili ko na kay Troy. Yan. At tingnan dyan na si Daddy. Ayan, puro mga mga chocolate. Ayan, minadali. Ayan, ganito din to. Puro chocolate. And ito naman kay Kuya Caleb. So, itong box na to, guys, ginawa ko din to kagabi kasi sabi ng teacher kailangan ng Valentine's box. So, ginawa ko to kagabi. Pokemon, pero hindi na mukhang Pokemon. So, ayan. Ayan. Puro chocolate din. Ayan. Ganun. Puro chocolate. My goodness. Kaya, dami na namang kalat. Pero, I'm sure, hindi naman nila to lahat kakainin. Kasi yung ibang binibigay ng mga chocolate, mga candy, is hindi nila gusto. So, yeah. Kaya, hindi rin makakain. Kaya, yun lang ang pinaka doon, yung masayang. Kasi, hindi nila gusto yung mga ibang binibigay kasi nga hindi rin kasi naman masarap. Kaya, yun. But anyways, so ayun, yun ang kanilang mga natanggap. And ako guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung natanggap ko kay Daddy. So, ito guys, ito yung binigay ko kay Daddy. Yan. Pero alam nyo ba, hindi niya napansin yan. 'Di ba? So guys, hindi niya napansin na merong ganyan sa table. Ang alam daw niya, sa mga bata daw yan. Kaya hindi niya pinakailaman, hindi niya tinignan, hindi niya binasa kung kanino. So sabi ko, is it bad na hindi ako nagbibigay sa'yo ng kahit na ano? Kasi hindi ka naghahanap or anything, diba? Like, nakakaloka. Like, halos gusto ko na umiyak kaganina umaga. Halos talagang hindi niya napansin eh. Tapos ayun, nagano siya. Sorry kasi akala daw niya sa mga bata talaga yan. Pero, yan, ganun talaga kapag hindi ka nagbibigay lagi ng something sa asawa mo, no? But anyways, ito yung binigay sa akin ni Daddy na card. And ito, Lindor na heart. Ayan. Ayan, favorite ko din to. At saka yung Ferrero. Ayan. Sarap niyan. So, andito na si Daddy, guys. And, eto, ang ating food. Si Taco Bell. Ayan. Ayan. Si Troy. Hi, Troy.
Hi, Mom.
Daddy's home.
Hi.
Daddy's home. That he didn't see my card and my chocolate for him
This morning.
Oh,
because you had the rest of the stuff mixed in. Sorry.
I was about to cry, sweetheart.
Did you even open mine up?
Yes, I opened yours, but I didn't open the chocolate yet. I'm waiting for the right moment. Look what she's wearing, Daddy. She wants a hug. Show Daddy what you're wearing.
Daddy, I'm wearing this.
Oh.
She's wearing her princess. Let me see. Her princess shirt. Natalia!
Boing, boing, boing.
Change clothes.
Okay.
Boing, boing.
Daddy's gonna toot on you right there.
Give me 5.
Oh yeah. I went into their classroom just to tell Miss Hale that
Sissy, stop.
I'm gonna pick him up after the awards day.
Yeah.
And so guys, ito ang ating food. So we got what is this called?
Chicken quesadilla.
Chicken quesadilla.
The only thing you can talk about.
And then we got some nachos. Daddy got some too. And then I got some crunchy taco. So, kain tayo. This is kind of Valentine's date. And at home.